this is Stefan. Today we're going to look at how to move an object between 2 points with a simple slider. So for example, if the slider is at 0%, the object is at position 1 and 100% at position 2. Actually, I was looking for how to do this for a long time, and I was just about to ask it on Cinema 4D Coffee, C4D Coffee, and the next thing I was doing was searching for a Python tutorial. I wasn't looking for this, but the next thing I clicked after I typed Cinema 4D Python tutorial was a video by Rich, and it was exactly what I was searching for. So this is just a quick tutorial how to do this, and also a little enhancement. So let's start again. This sphere is going to be our object, and this is position 2, this one will be position 1. Then we're going to add a null object, call this controller, and under user data, add user data, you can add a slider. I'm just gonna call it slider. Interface float slider, so you can move between 0 and 100%. Click OK. And now I click on the controller, user data, I will find the slider. This will do nothing right now because we didn't link it up. So let's add an XPresso tag to it. Let's move in the controller, then the sphere, position 2, position 1. Then we're going to add, calculate here range mapper, and click on the output of the controller, user data, we're going to add the slider. This slider sorry, not yet. Position 1. Now we're going to add the position. Same on position 2. Position. And let's drag this position 1 to the range mapper. This will be the low output lower. Position. This will be the upper. And the output will be the sphere, coordinate, position, so like this. And now, in order for the slider to work, we have to add a reals to vector, and we're going to simply output the slider to X, Y, and Z. And the output of the reals to vector to the range mapper. Then inside the range mapper, we have to change the data type to vector and the input range to %. So I think this is it. Let's have a look. Oh, jump. Our sphere jumped to position 1, and now if we go to our controller and slide it, it will automatically slide between 0 and 100% between position 1 and 2. The good thing is, I move now position 1, the path between position 1 and 2 will also adapt. So this is the basic thing. I'm gonna enhance it a little bit so it's dynamic. You can choose which object is position 1, which is position 2, and also the sphere. So I'm going to change this a little bit. I'm going to add a link. Let's call this the object. The slider is fine. then position 1, also link, and position 2, also link. And let's add a group. Let's call this controller. Oh, sorry. Now I want to move this out of the user data and select those and put them inside the controller. So now it's a little bit, the overview is a little bit better. You have your own tab with the controller inside. Now the slider, here we would select the object, position 1, position 2. So let's link this in our XPresso tag. Position 1 and 2, we can delete this, also the sphere. This we can keep. And let's add the position 1, the object, position 1, and the position 2. Now we want to add 2 objects. So I'm going to link position 1 to object, and we're going to output, of course, the position. So let's output this. With Command or Control in Windows, you can drag this down and make a copy of it. Position 2 to the controller, and this will be position 1 to the output lower, and this to the output upper. And now we're going to output this, so we need a new controller. Then we need position. Let's map the object to the object and the output to the position. There we go. And if everything is correct now, of course this won't work now because we didn't set the object position 1 and position 2. So let's do this. Our object is a sphere. Position 1 would be position 1, this object, and position 2, the second object. And now let's animate this. Very nice. Let's move it just to test it. Perfect. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. See you.